This city has always been unique because Miami is both a beach and a major cosmopolitan city, and they're connected by bridges that take 7 minutes to cross.
And if you look at how quickly it's growing, I truly believe Miami is the next New York or London or Paris.
Miami is now defining itself with its neighborhoods. Edgewater is unique because of the arteries, because it gets everywhere.
It is near downtown and is right across from the core of Miami Beach. And it has a lot happening right behind. There's Midtown, Wynwood Design District. And the unique part is that even though it's central, it's on the water.
For me, Elysee was the building I always wanted to build. Only 100 units, 2 per floor, really intimate, really boutique.
We wanted to create residences in the sky. As a developer, you have the unique opportunity to almost be an artist. You're redefining what the face of the waterfront will look like forever.
The objective is to have all the units facing the water and the skyline views. The building grows in size towards the sky, almost like a telescoping shape. The building had to look daring but strong.
Bernardo designed this beautiful building, but when John Louis got involved, he really said this building is about rooms. It's about creating a lifestyle, about creating a home.
From the moment you get in with your car and you step into all those reception rooms, I wanted to make sure that there was a storytelling from one room to another. The interior design has also been done in order to almost forget so much about the interior itself, but to really get dragged, towards those amazing views and that amazing light. The pool area has been designed just like if it was as sophisticated as an interior area.
What I love about that is really its connectivity to the water. Only Elysee provides 3 full floors of amenities. The 7th floor is really dedicated to health and wellness. We have this beautiful state-of-the-art fitness center that overlooks Biscayne Bay. And of course, a resort-style pool, which I think would be a great place for everybody to take in the sunset. For me, the most special part of Elysee has to be the 30th floor amenities. We took an entire premium floor with 360-degree views of Miami and decided to give it back to the residents for their enjoyment.
The Sky Lounge was inspired by the views and by the different time of the day. It's been designed like the ultimate private house with the most refined finishes, commissioned by artists coming from all around the world. Every single room has a specific mood. And I like when from one room to another, you're getting from one mood to the other. In the residence, from the moment you walk in, you're actually captured by the view. It's a very large open plan, an open space with a very large kitchen overlooking the dining and then overlooking the living and then going onto that great terrace. It's all in one flow. It's all continuous. And that will assure an amazing way of living.
When designing the kitchen, we wanted to design something that not only catered to the gourmet chef, but also to people that just like to entertain.
Italcraft, Wolf, and Sub-Zero have worked together so seamlessly that we could have these beautiful refrigerators covered with beautiful wood paneling. Jean-Louis created that beautiful vanity. He did this very interesting gray stripe, which follows the entire side of the floor and up the wall.
Because of those floor-to-ceiling windows surrounding each and every unit, I tried to include all finishes being supernatural.
When you can combine excellence with warmth, then it's magic.
When you buy at Elysee, you know you've purchased the best quality, the best service, a curated lifestyle like no other, and ultimately the best value in Miami.